Nokia has launched a new smartphone in the market soon. The upcoming smartphone will be called Nokia G11. Let's talk about the specification of this phone. This phone has 1.6 GHz octa-core processor. This new upcoming smartphone has a 6.5 inches screen size, with an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, and this device support Full HD display with resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. This phone is coming with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, and also there is a GPU of ARM Mali G57. On rear side of the smartphone, there is a triple camera arrangement. The main sensor of the smartphone will be 13 megapixels plus 2 megapixels and a 2 megapixels. The selfie shooter in this phone will be 8 megapixels to taking selfies easy and attractive. The upcoming new Nokia G11 got a side-mounted fingerprint sensor to protect your phone data from loss. The smartphone is packed with non-removable LiPo 5050 mAh battery with support fast charging of 18 watt. What do you think about this phone? Leave comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as well as press the bell icon to be notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.